Standard 6th, Subject Maths. Students, today we are going to study Chapter 9, HCF LCM. HCF stands for Highest Common Factor and LCM stands for Least Common Multiple. So let us understand in detail about HCF and LCM, and we are going to solve practice set 23 today. Let's recall. Divisor, dividend. These two terms you are already familiar with. Alright. In the empty boxes, write the proper words: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. This activity is on page 46 of your maths textbook. So you will have to open your textbook to page 46 and do this activity in the textbook itself. In the first example, 36 is divided by 4, where 36 stands as dividend. 4 is your divisor. And what is 9? 9 is your quotient and 0 is the remainder. So you fill up the boxes with the proper words. Second example, 65 divided by 9. 65 is your dividend, 9 is your divisor, 7 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. 9 sevens are 63, and when you subtract 63 from 65, remainder is 2. So have a look at the solution. The first example, as we mentioned earlier, 36 is dividend, 4 is divisor, 9 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. In second example, 65 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor, 7 quotient and 2 remainder. Dear students, when we divide 36 by 4, the remainder is 0. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 36 and 36 is a multiple of 4. That means 36 is divisible by 4. And when we divide 65 by 9, the remainder is not 0. Therefore, 9 is not a factor of 65. Also, 65 is not a multiple of 9. That means 65 is not divisible by 9. So, when writing factors, how do we write them? Look at the example shown below. Factors of 36 will begin with number 1 because 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So factors of 36 is 1, then 2. In table of 2 do we get 36? Yes. 2 into 18, right? So 2 is a factor of 36. So like this, you have to find factors of 36 from 1 to 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36 are factors of 36. Factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and lastly 48. So the factors begin with the number 1 and end on the number itself. Okay? And then you have to write the common factors in the empty boxes. So I will show you the working how to find the factors. The method of finding factors will be done in rough. In your practice set, you will simply have to mention the factors and the common factors. So let's have a look at the workout solution. Factors of 36, how you will write? You will write in a horizontal method or you can just find out by dividing. So 1 into 36 is 36. You can divide 36 by 2. Okay? And you know the test of divisibility. 36 is divisible by 2. If you divide 36 by 2, you will come to know that 2 18s is 36. So 2 into 18 we wrote. Then divide by 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 36 is divisible by 9. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36 and 6 6 are 36. So we wrote down all the possible multiplications of 36. And now we can get the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So like this, in rough you will always solve this factors. To find factors you will write the as many multiplications which give you 36 as the answer. Similarly you will do with 48. You will begin with 1 into 48. Then if it's an even number you can take 2. 2 into which number? So you will have to divide 48 by 2 and check. You will get 24. So 2 into 24. 3 into 16, 4 into 12, 6 into 8. This way on dividing you get the factors, and then you can list down the factors of 48 from the smallest to the biggest. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. And now you're going to write the common factors of 36 and 48. So check out. 1 is common. Next 2 is common. You can underline and then write down. 3 is common. 4 is common. 6 is common. 9 is not common. 8 is also not common. 12 is common. 18 and 16 are not common. So this way we have listed the common factors of 36 and 48. So your practice set 23 is based on this concept. You have to just list the factors of two numbers and list their common factors. So hope you have understood this. Let us move on to practice set 23. Write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factors. First, 12 and 16. So we will write the factors of 12 and 16. You can write 12 ones are 12, then 2 into which number? 2 into 6 gives you 12. So all this rough work you can do and then list them properly. 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. And that's it. You got all the factors. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. After writing all the possible multiplications in the rough, you can list the factors of 12 from 1 to 12. Similarly, factors of 16. 1 into 16 gives 16, 2 into 8 and 4 into 4. So this way we got all the factors for 16. Now write them down. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Without doing the rough work also you can start listing by using tables. So for this you need to be good at tables. So common factors of 12 and 16 are, underline the common or you can just pick them up directly. 1, 2, 4 are the common factors. 6, 8, 12, 16 are not common in both. So we do not take them as common factors. Even 3. 3 is not a common factor of 12 and 16. It is only a factor of 12. So the common ones you have to write in your final answer. Common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. Alright, let's solve sum number 2. You have to find factors of 21 and factors of 24. So you can write 1 into 21 in the rough first. Then you know 3 sevens is 21. Are there any other multiples or any other multiplications that give us 21 in table of 4, 5? No. So that's all. So factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Factors of 24. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8 and 4 into 6. So while arranging them, how do you arrange them? Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now it's the time to pick out the common factors of 21 and 24. 1 and 3. Only two common factors we can see here. So write down 1 and 3 as the common factors of 21 and 24. Sum number 3. Factors of 25. 1 into 25 is our first step. And 5 5s are 25. Besides that, we have no other multiplications which give 25 as answer. So, arrange it nicely. Factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. Next, factors of 30. To begin with, 1 into 30 is 30. Then 2 into 15, 3 into 10, and 5 into 6. Once your rough work is done, arrange it properly. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay. So this way you have completed factors of 25, factors of 30. Now common factors of 25 and 30 are 1 and 5. Besides 1 and 5, no other factors are common in both. Alright. Now, when there are many factors, for example, factors of 30 are many, how do you know in case you miss out on a factor? It is always good to check. So, in maths, there are some tricks to be applied when checking your answers. For example, while checking factors, you match the first number with the last factor, and their multiplication should be the question. You are finding factors of 30, right? So check first factor you have written is 1. 1 into last number is 30. 1 into 30 is 30. Check the second factor. 2. 2 into second last factor is 15. 2 into 15 is 30. Like this, go on making pairs and multiply. First with last, second with second last, third with third last, and fourth with fourth last. So 1 into 30 is 30, 2 into 15 is 30, 3 into 10 is 30, and 5 into 6 is 30. So this way you can cross check that you have got all your factors listed correctly. Alright. Let's go on to fourth sum. Factors of 24 and 25 are listed here. To find factors of 24 in the rough, 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Then arrange them in increasing order, ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are factors of 24. Factors of 25, 1, 5, 25. Common factors of 24 and 25, only 1. Only 1 is their common factor. No other factors are common in them. Okay. Right now, just now as I mentioned, you can cross check factors of 24. 1 into the last one, 24. 2 into second last, 12 is 24. 3 into third last, 8 is 24. And 4 into 6 is 24. So this way you can check whether you have listed all factors correctly. So there won't be any chance of missing out on any factor. Fifth sum, factors of 56. Start with 1 into 56, then start with 2. If you don't know 2 into which number gives 56, divide 56 by 2 in the rough and check. 2 into 28 will give you 56. 4 into 14, 7 into 8. Once you get your multiplications which give you 56, arrange them properly. Factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. And check the multiplications. First with last, second with second last. It should give 56. If it doesn't give, that means you have missed out and you have to check again. Factors of 72. 1 into 72, 2 into 36. I'm checking first with the last, second with the second last. You can check now itself. 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, and 8 into 9. So these all are factors of 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. Now the common factors of 56 and 72 are, check for only the common ones and write down 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the common factors of 56 and 72. Besides these four numbers, there are no other common factors. All right. So this way we have completed your practice set number 23. Do solve the sums in your book. Stay safe, keep learning, and thank you.